For multiplication, we're going to start out with our model. And it's an upside down L. So 15 is made up of 1 stick because of the 10 and 5 ones. 3 is just 3 ones. So over here we're going to transfer that, and it's going to be 1 big stick because of 10, and then 5 little blocks, then 3 blocks, so 3. So if we multiply this 10 by these 3's, then we're going to get 10. Then these 1's multiplied by these 1's are just going to be 1's. So now if we count these up, we should have our total. So remember, these are 10, so 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 equals 45. Partial product, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a box, and 15 is going to go up top, 3 is over here. Then we're going to do 3 times 1, but 3 times 1 would only give us 3, so we're going to have to make this a 10 because look, this is in the tens place, so that would be 30. 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 is okay because that's in the ones. So if you add that up, that is 45. Then the lattice method, you draw another box, and you put the 15 up top again and 3 on the other side. You're just going to divide it up, and each box is going to have a slash through it. So 3 times 5 is 15. Put the 5 in this one and the 1 in this one, and 3 times 1 is 3. And when it doesn't have a digit in the 10 spot, just put a 0. And I like to make these zeros just so I can add easier. So that's 5, and that is 4, because 3 plus 1 is 4, and that is your answer, 45. The algorithm is pretty simple. You just put the 15 up top, and then the 3, and then so 3 times 5 is 15. You carry the 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus this 1 is 4, and 45 is your answer. So that was multiplication. Now we move on to division. So we're going to draw another model. But first we have to just break this down into our tens and ones. So 65 can break down into 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because that's made up of 6 tens, then 5 ones. And this is being divided by 3, so we need a model of 3 blocks. 2, 3. So we know that 3 can go into 6 evenly 2 times, so these 6 sticks can go into these 3 blocks twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that should be all of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That crosses out evenly. These ones, on the other hand, we have to go about them a different way. So that's 1. That can go in the 2. That can go in the 3. But we have 2 left over, and you can't just put 2 in there. So that will be a remainder of 2. So we need to count up what's in the box, and that is 10, 21. 21 with a remainder of 2. Now, partial quotient is pretty easy. You just set it up like an algorithm problem. 3 divided by 65. But we're going to look at our model to help us do this one. So, if you look at the model, we're taking out 2 tens. So, 3, you can take out a 10, and that would be 30, because you're going to multiply 3 times 10. So that would be 35. You can take out another 10. So 3 times 10 will be 30 and leaves you with just 5. But you cannot take out another 10 because up here we only have 2 10s, not a third one. So we're going to have to take out 3 from 5 because 3 can go into 5 only once though. So once with a remainder of 2. But you have to add these up to get the answer, and that would be 1021 with a remainder of 2. Algorithm, you just do it the same way, but you're actually going to do division this time. So 3 can go into 6 twice, so that would be 6. You have to add a 0 because this is the tens place, and that would be 5 left over. 3 can go into 5 one time, and that's 2 left over with a remainder of 2. And that's how you do division.